The Arctic Ocean looks frozen and harmless until a king tide lunges ashore and turns solid ground into a trap. At 1:09 a.m. beside icebound Qikiqtarjuaq, Tessa Anikanni climbs a tilted sonar tower to revive a dead warning buoy. A full moon drags the sea higher, and a once-in-a-generation king tide shoves a 4.8-meter swell beneath her boots. Black water slams the frozen edge, and sea ice fractures outward like shattered glass. The anchorage disappears foot by foot, and every retreat path shrinks between the rising tide and the jagged breakwater. At danger level 5, Tessa clings to frozen steel while the next wave builds in the darkness beyond the ice. A coastal geophysicist explains that king tides peak when sun, moon, and earth align, maximizing gravitational pull on ocean water. Low pressure and storm surge can stack on king tides and lift water meters above forecasts. That is why Arctic coasts can flood with terrifying speed, even when experienced locals think they still have time. Tessa starts counting down the next wave, knowing 10 seconds could decide whether she escapes or gets pinned. Last winter, locals say 2 fishermen vanished in a similar tide after ice shifted and cut off their return. In northern waters, cold shock can cripple muscles within minutes, and near freezing immersion can kill before rescue arrives. Respect tide charts, storm pressure, ice conditions, and warning systems, because fascination with the Arctic means surviving its unpredictability.